I am a general dentist in a suburb of Kansas City, and we have been using all sorts of technological features to make our life easy for as long as I took over. I love gadgets. I love integration. I love to make the front desk job easier so they have more time to work with patients so that they are having to run their systems less. And Adit offers so many services all under one roof, all managed with one interface. And so the second that I saw that, it would replace 2, 3, even 4 of our existing systems and put them all together, I was hooked. Now, the notion that it is as inexpensive as it is was a slam dunk. Gentleman from Adit, he remoted in, he reprogrammed all the phones, and now they work great under Adit's system. I was really impressed at how I was given a direct line to the technician. So unlike other companies where I would sit in a queue and wait for a person who I'd never dealt with before, then I would have to re-explain my problem. I've gotten to talk to the same people throughout the entire process. So the continuity of just that relationship has been wonderful. And he's got a great sense of humor. And now I know all about his wife and his food and his kids. And so I feel like he's really part of our team, even though I've never met the man in person. So I've got to say that has been very smooth and quite wonderful.